Welcome to Neural Tech Analytics. In this video, we'll cover an essential concept in NumPy universal functions, also called ufuncs. These are fast, element-wise array functions that eliminate the need for manual loops in Python, making your code cleaner, faster, and more efficient. What are universal functions? Universal functions, or ufuncs, are built-in functions in NumPy that apply operations element by element on arrays. They're highly optimized, written in C, which means they run much faster than Python loops. They can take one input, unary ufuncs, two inputs, binary ufuncs, and sometimes return multiple outputs. Instead of doing this manually, import numpy as npar equals nparray 1, 2, 3, squares equals x in 2 for x in r. You just use np square arr. It displays array 149, efficient and elegant. Unary ufuncs, single input. Let's see some unary ufuncs in action. Import numpy as nprr equals nparrange 10 print original r print square root np sqrt ar print exponential np.xp ar r np sqrt returns the square root of each element. np.xp computes exex for each value. Other common unary ufuncs include np.abs, absolute value np.log, natural logarithm npceal, and npflow, round up or down nprint, round to nearest integer np is finite, np is none, check for valid numbers. All work element-wise. Binary ufuncs, two inputs. Now let's talk about binary ufuncs. These take two input arrays. X equals nparray 1, 3, 5, 7. Y equals nparray 2, 4, 6, 8. Print add np.add xy. Print maximum np maximum xy. It displays add 371115 maximum 2468. np.add adds corresponding elements. np maximum compares and returns the larger value from each pair. Other binary ufuncs np subtract, np multiply, np divide, np power raise one array to the power of another np.mod. Modulus comparison np greater, np equal, np less underscore equal, logical, np logical underscore, and np logical underscore or np logical underscore XOR. These are extremely useful in data cleaning and feature engineering. Ufunc with multiple outputs. ModeF example. Some ufuncs can return multiple outputs. One example is np.modef. ARR equals nparray 1.23, 4.56 minus 3.45. Frac whole equals np.modef ARR print. Fractional parts frac. Print whole parts whole. It displays fractional parts 0.23, 0.56 minus 0.45, whole parts 1. 4. Minus 3, modef splits each number into its fractional and integer parts, great for mathematical operations and simulations. Using the out parameter, in-place execution, you can also make ufuncs even more efficient by using the out parameter to store results in place. R equals np array 4.0, 9.0, 16.0, np sqrt rr out equals rprint in place sqrt arr. It displays in place sqrt 2, 3, 4. This rewrites the result into the same array, saving memory and time, useful for large datasets. Tables of common ufuncs, common unary ufuncs, np.abs, np.sqrt, np.xp, np.log, np.log10, np.log2, np.sign, np.cos, np.thun, np.snone, np-isinf, common binary ufuncs, np.add, np-multiply, np-power, np-maximum, np-minimum, np-equal, np-greater_equal, np-logical_XOR. You'll use these again and again when working. Real-world use case, sensor data normalization. Let's walk through a real-world data cleaning example using ufuncs. Data equals np-array 0.5-2.3, np.nan 4.1 5.7. Hash replace nans with 0 cleaned equals np-where, np-isnan data, 0 data, hash normalized data to -1, 1 normalized equals cleaned np-maximum, np.abs, clean.max, 1 print, cleaned clean print, normalized. Here we handled nans with np-isnan and np-where, used np.abs and np-maximum for scaling. That's clean, vectorized processing. Exactly how ufuncs shine. At Neuraltech, we offer industry-aligned data analytics training that leads directly to job-ready skills and real-world results. Visit our website to learn more.